So as a UI UX designer, what are the skills I need to learn in 2026 to future-proof my career?
Future proof career in UX UI design, basically speaking, it's about focus more towards to the user experience design. So solving the problems more into user research and working on a lot of solutions and UX thinking. These are the ultimate.
Okay, how important do you think is for UI UX designers to learn coding or have some knowledge about coding?
See, nothing is wrong or don't do things in terms of skilling. So you can learn coding and you can learn Python, or you can learn HTML, CSS, or you can learn any technical aspects of programming or any skills. You can acquire the skills.
So which industry do you think offers the best value for UI UX designers? So as a UI UX designer, what are the skills I need to learn in 2026 to future-proof my career?
Future proof career in UX UI design, basically speaking, it's about focus more towards to the user experience design. So solving the problems more into user research and working on a lot of solutions and UX thinking. These are the ultimate. So the last human being interact with the system, UX will be there. Basically speaking, it will be evolving, keep on evolving. In my experience, over a period of 25 years, we were start using from TFT monitor to mobile devices. So currently we are interacting with the AI also. But even though we are working on AI and everything, the bottom line that the research, critical thinking, analytical thinking, solving problems, it's not changed. So UI may change, interface may change, but UX will not change.
UX will be a constant
one. So nowadays, what happened after this AI is entering into the market, the human beings are losing their own brain and critical thinking is very, very less. So how that Google is entering into the market and it makes the people restless, and TikTok and Instagram ensure that the restlessness. So we have to do not more than the attention span time has been reduced 30 seconds, less than 30 seconds. So now this is an AI era. People, they stop thinking, they are relaying everything towards to the AI. So now we have an opportunity as a UX designer. We have to solving the problem and thinking for the human beings, not for the systems. So we have to thinking for the human beings. So we have to solving the problems, focus on core fundamentals.
Okay, how important do you think is for the designers, UI UX designers, to learn coding or have some knowledge about coding?
See, nothing is wrong or don't do things in terms of skilling. So you can learn coding, right? And you can learn Python, or you can learn HTML, CSS, or you can learn any technical aspects of programming or any skills. You can acquire the skills. So being an UX and UI designer, how the coding is impact the career, that is very important. So I'm going to talk about one small story. So fundamentally, what will happen, being a junior level designer, if anybody joining as even you are a junior designer, you are entering into the organization, and predominantly the senior level designers, they made the research and they get an approval from the main screens. Then you will be the working on the remaining screens and everything, and you will be handing over the design to the development team. So during that time, if you know the coding knowledge, right, not necessary to be a coder, at least if you have that knowledge of HTML, CSS, you can able to communicate them well with the development team. So if you are talking in a design language or design communications, and they wouldn't understand. So fundamentally, as a junior designer only is the responsible for delivering the products. Most of the companies, right, the small mid-size, right, so those kind of a companies, the entire organization is running on the junior level designers. The junior designers only sitting with the developers and getting things done. So during that time, if you are going to talk to them, it will be helpful for them. So simple things only. In Figma, what happened? We have a corner radius. Same thing in CSS is about a border radius. So if you're talking corner radius, the developer may not understand, right? And the second thing is, being a designer, we are doing the design for only 2 or 3 sizes of the screens. So basically speaking, we are working for one mobile screen, one tablet, or one large device, 1440. That's it. But being a developer, he has to working on the entire designs into various sizes of the screens, right? So still there are laptops are available for 1280 pixels. Few laptops are for 1366. Few for 1440, few for 1920. So even though the large devices or the interfaces itself, there are 5 to 6 sizes. When it comes to Apple, they have 6 different sizes. When it comes to Android, they are also having 3 to 4 different sizes. Then we are giving one single design and ask the developer to do the things. He is not a Superman. He's not a Spider-Man,
And we have tablets also now.
right? So
Foldable phones have also become.
foldable flip phones. So different fluidic concepts also nowadays been emerging. Then we are also part of that product development ecosystem or the life cycle. We have to help the developers. So we have to learn something. So he is not a Superman. He is also learning some part of design. We are also understand their pain points. So gaining a knowledge or having the knowledge is added value only.
So, which industry do you think offers the best value for UI UX designers?
Best value in terms of more challenges. Okay.
More opportunities also.
More opportunities in terms of job
Job
opportunity or
opportunities.
UX
How
working.
we explore the growth in that particular sector.
See, nowadays what happened, UX is in everywhere. All the industries, all domains, they are using recruiting the UX designers. That is, it depends upon the person. If you are a person want to learn end to end of the product, or if you want to do more things, or you want to learn multiple diversified domains or the industries, then you can join either the design studios or agencies or software development companies, any service related companies, so that you can learn more. So within a 1 year period, you can able to touch minimum of 5 to 6 different domains, different products, right? That is an opportunity. So as a UX designer, we have to learn more domains, more industries, diversified projects. So our growth also will be good. When it comes to remuneration wise, you are getting very decent salary, not so high in the service domain, right? If you are joining in any banking sector or any healthcare sector, there you have a super duper challenges, and you have getting the decent money also when it comes to the salary part. But the product also has been very interesting one. Okay. So that is even banking. If you are joining any banking sector with the UXUI, then they have a huge roles and responsibilities and working environments, right? So there are too many users are there.
Different. We need to cater to like different roles and.
Yes, different roles, different users. We have to work for different users, not only for the customers. So banking employee side, right? So different products also banking has. So banking also having a different kind of a product. So we have to having an opportunity, right? So if you want to more explore more, my recommendations, you can start your side hustle kind of a stuff, kind of a freelancing, where you can get more projects, more clients. You can learn more. That is also possibility, right? So currently, what happened? There is a current scenario is what do you call? Few people they want to get married and settle down. They are looking for a MNC, the bigger companies. They're moving ahead with that, right? Suppose some people they want to have the freedom, the time freedom, job freedom, so they want to work remote. Then they are choosing the freelancing. So now what happened? Being an UX and UI designer, we have a lot of opportunities. So what we want, we have to choose wisely. That is very important. So otherwise, what will happen? We are getting confused. We don't know what to do.